Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will prepare baby potato roast. It is very easy and simple recipe. Do check it out. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet and press the bell icon for further notification on my videos. Thank you. We need baby potatoes. I have boiled the potatoes and peeled the skin off. 2 tablespoons of oil, curry leaves, 5 to 7, coriander leaves for garnishing, salt to taste, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon, whole jeera 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon and hing. Take a pan and add oil to it. Heat it on medium flame. When oil heats up, add whole cumin seeds and hing powder. Let it roast for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then we will add curry leaves and again saute it for about 10 seconds. Then we will sim the gas on low flame and add our dry masalas. We will add turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and garam masala and also salt to taste. Now mix it very nicely and spread it all over the pan. Next we will add our boiled baby potatoes. Mix the masala with the potatoes, coat the masala well and fry it on medium flame for about 5 minutes. Do keep checking the potatoes and roast it well on all the sides. Our potato is roasted well on all sides. Now let's put some coriander leaves for garnishing. Our simple baby potato roast is ready. Hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe if you liked it and also check my other recipes.